what's up guys, it's Paco. In this video, I'm going to be going over if Kakobuy is down or not. It's been a big thing in the past day or so. Everybody's been saying it hasn't been working for them on mobile, haven't been working for them on the PC. But Kakobuy made a few posts and I'm going to let you guys know right now, is Kakobuy done? Is it going to be like PandaBuy? But we'll see. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so pretty much right now, whenever you look up kakobuy.com, comes up like this: error 451, unavailable for legal reasons. This happens on pretty much anyone's phone, your Google, your Safari. If you're in my spreadsheet, you want to click, say, a link to a product. Every single time you click it, it says redirecting. Wait a second, I think I found the glitch. All right, so as soon as you click one of my affiliate links, say this Goyard bag right here, you click it, and just like that, your Kakobuy is fixed. I know it sounds weird, but it's just a little glitch right now that's going on. If you see right here on this Discord, they're pretty much saying it's just an error going on. It's not that big of an issue. They pretty much said in 8 to 16 hours, everything should be fixed. The app is working perfectly fine. It's just this site right now. So if you guys want to shop on Kakobuy right now, just go to my spreadsheet, click a link if you're having this error, and as soon as you click that, it will just give you the normal access that you have to Kakobuy. You might have to log in again, but that's all that's going on. I confirmed it with someone I'm working with that's actually from Kakobuy. They work there. I said, is Kakobuy down? They said, hey, Kakobuy is safe right now. And they sent me the link to announcements. So it's going to be up pretty soon. But for now, if you don't know how to get to it, you just click that link. And while you're at it, you could even go put in a shipping discount code. That will be code PACO. As soon as you put that in, you could get up to $500. So check that out, guys. And hopefully you're able to use Kakobuy again. Do not worry. They're not getting seized. They're not going to jail. You're not losing your haul. Everything is good right now. They're just having a little site error. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you get that fixed. But that's all it is.